Hey everybody, Ethan Glick here with Worldwide RV. Today we're going to take a look through the 2024 Jayco J-Feather 24 RV. Starting in the back of the unit, RB standing for rear bathroom, you get this absolutely massive full bathroom with plenty of counter space, storage up above, and a huge stand-up shower with vertically mounted shower head. Also, you get a above mounted skylight with extra storage over here next to the toilet. Walking out of your rear bathroom, there's these two Stacy Stewart jackknife sofa recliners with swivel convenience trays. Right next to that is your foldable and portable dinette table, which can be easily converted into extra sleeping area for your guests while you're out camping. Into the private front bedroom, you're going to see your full queen-size bed with wardrobe space on either side and added storage up above the headroom. Not only that, but you'll get electrical outlets bedside for your convenience and accent lighting throughout the whole bedroom. In the main kitchen and living area, you'll get a dual bucket residential style sink, hidden pop-up outlets for all of your cooking needs, and a 3-burner Furrion stovetop and oven. Above that, you'll get your black Furrion microwave with added vent next to your 8 cubic foot Everchill refrigerator, which conveniently opens in either direction. On the entertainment side, you're going to have added storage up above, a 32-inch LED swivel-mounted Insignia TV, and your little IRV Technologies Bluetooth unit. Also, you're going to get a walk-in pantry on this side right by the front door for added storage and convenience. Outdoor, next to the main entry door, you have the outdoor kitchen. Inside there's an IRV mini fridge and plug-ins for your included single-burner griddle. Also, there's a spout hookup so you can access your fresh water from the exterior. So no need to run in and out to fill those cooking pots while enjoying those outdoor cooking sessions.